Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm gonna be doing for you a liquid makeup look. And for once I actually know the title of my video before I start. But anyways, I'm gonna be basically using all liquid and all cream products on my face, and then it's really just gonna make your face look like skin but better. I feel like whenever you use cream products, it's like just the best looking on your face. It just makes it look like you, but better. I don't even know what else to say. But anyways, let's just jump right into the video, or else I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna talk your ear off forever. So the first thing I'm gonna do today is go in primer, and I'm gonna be using the Colourpop Rose Quartz Crystal Priming Spray. I'm just gonna give my face a spritz. And I like to use a lot. I don't know if you can tell. Once I have that blended in, I'm just gonna go in with foundation. Today I'm going to be using my Covergirl Vitalist Elixir in the shade 665. I'm just going to do about a pump and a half in the back of my hand, and I'm going to mix in some of my Makeup Revolution Bronze Gold liquid highlighter right into it. Give ourselves a more highlighted, glowy look to the face. Mix that in the back of my hand, just using my finger and the heat off my finger. Dump that all over my face. If I were to be using a new foundation, although this is pretty new to me, I've only used it once. I wouldn't put this much on my face. I'd put a little bit and then build it up, but I already know I'm going to want to use all when I put it on my hand. Most foundations I usually go in with a pump and a half, 2 pumps, and this I only did a pump and a half, so that's why I know I feel like I'm gonna use all of it. Ooh, that is a color. We're gonna blend that down our necks. And while we're still on face products, we're just gonna finish the face while we're here. And I'm gonna go with my contour stick from Milani. Go from my ear towards the corner of my mouth. Make some lines on my forehead. And I like to use this more as like a bronzer than a contour, just because it's not crazy deeper than my skin. And then I'll just go back in with that same foundation brush and just buff it in. But it does make a really nice subtle bronze to the face. And it blends out really easy, which is bonus. And I'm going to highlight today with NYX Born to Glow Illuminator in the shade Pure Gold. I'm just going to put that on my finger. I don't really use my fingers a lot to do my makeup, but I'm thinking about doing an entire makeup routine where I only use my fingers and see the results. Like, I don't think I'll like everything, but who knows, maybe I'll end up using them more often. I'm gonna highlight down my nose a bit, and then right above the high point of my brow. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes, and for the eyes I'm actually gonna go in with the same product. I'm just gonna go in with a different color. I'm going in with the color Sun Goddess, and it's more of a bronze brown color, but still very glowy. And I'm just gonna take this all over my eyelids. It's gonna make a very wet look to the eyes. This is honestly a very easy look. You need like no brushes. You need like so few. So easy. So easy. But I'm gonna make a highlighter because I'm gonna use liquid liner and try to make a wing, and then it's gonna be like, oh, that is fun. But before that, we're gonna move into our brows. And I'm just gonna run through my brows with a little bit of Brow Plumper by L'Oreal. This does have fibers in it, so it is going to make my brows look thicker. I didn't put on concealer. Why do I always forget concealer? I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I'm just going to dot that right under my eyes. Don't want to take it too low since we already have our highlighter on. just gonna take my Real Technique sponge and I'm just gonna spray that with the same primer we used earlier. Eye makeup look to like help clean up any fallout and sharpen up the shape of your eyeshadow as well. I'm gonna try to do a wing, which is not really my best skill when it comes to makeup, but we're gonna try. Do you see what I mean? So I'm back, and that's basically as good as I can get. It's not my strong point. I know it. It's true. It's just the truth. But anyways, now that we're done with that, I'm gonna move on to blush, and I'm going to be using a Colourpop blush in the shade Bardot, and I'm gonna go in with that on a stippling brush. This is a very sparkly shade, so I like to be very light-handed with it. A little bit of sparkles is one thing. This is just like super, super intense. And then I figured it'd be fun to go in with like a pop of color for the lips, and I'm gonna be going in with two Milani lipsticks, one in the shade Tuscan and then one in the shade Matte Kiss, and I'm gonna be using Matte Kiss in the middle, and I'm gonna use Tuscan on the outsides. And once I have them on, I'll just make my finger and blot it out. And that completes the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Wait. I almost forgot mascara. I don't know, between mascara and concealer, I swear those are the two things I forget the most. But mascara is my favorite, and I really like concealer. The two of my favorite things, so why do I forget? Why? Okay, and now we're actually done. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this liquid makeup look. I really liked how it turned out, especially like the pop of red. I feel like it's just really fun. And it makes the teeth look so white. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like this video if you did enjoy it. And subscribe if you want to see new videos. I upload every single Monday and Thursday. And see you guys next time. Bye!